The global economy isn't just shaking, it's shifting. Debt is exploding, political division is deepening, and inflation may be cooling, but the real storm is still building. According to legendary investor Ray Dalio, we're heading into a once-in-a-generation breakdown of the global financial order. And while tech giants wobble under the pressure of tariffs, overspending, and supply chain chaos, Dalio has quietly shifted his focus into energy. Not just any energy stocks, strategic, underpriced, clean energy players that could thrive in a volatile macro environment. Today, we're diving into the three companies Ray Dalio's Bridgewater just loaded up on, and why these names could be some of the biggest winners of the next economic cycle. Meet Vistra Corp, a company powering the future. Ray Dalio's firm recently boosted its stake in Vistra to $244 million. That's a conviction bet. Vistra is a leader in clean, zero-emissions energy. Its 6,400 megawatts of nuclear capacity powers AI data centers. With AI driving energy demand, Vistra is at the forefront. Deals with Amazon and Microsoft secure long-term growth. Tax credits and $7.1 billion EBITDA make Vistra a dominance play. Next up, Constellation Energy. This stock recently dipped about 18%. But Ray Dalio used that pullback to increase his position by 23%, now worth over $212 million. Why? Because while the market panicked over short-term energy demand fears, Constellation quietly posted a 38% year-over-year earnings per share increase. It's a top-tier nuclear power player that cut operating costs by 17%, thanks in part to lower uranium prices, its primary fuel source. Constellation is lean, efficient, and future-focused. And with a goal to double earnings by 2030 and maintain a compound annual growth rate of 13%, this isn't just a utility, it's a high-growth AI energy partner. Their forward price-to-earnings ratio dropped from 32 to just 24.5, making it one of the most attractively priced clean energy stocks on the market. Dalio sees what others are missing. A misunderstood, undervalued, mission-critical energy supplier that's building out the backbone of the digital economy. Last on Dalio's list, but far from least, is NRG Energy. While smaller than the first two, Dalio increased his stake by 47%, bringing his fund's total to nearly $17 million. Why the interest? Because NRG is flying under the radar and could be one of the best value plays in the utility sector. Despite fourth-quarter headwinds, NRG crushed analyst expectations and reaffirmed 2025 guidance, projecting up to $7.75 in earnings per share and over $2.2 billion in free cash flow. But the real story? Their pivot into AI-powered infrastructure and smart energy. NRG owns Vivint Smart Home, which is adding over 200,000 new subscribers and growing recurring revenue. Meanwhile, they're working with GE Vernova to build out 5 gigawatts of AI-dedicated power. And unlike some overpriced energy stocks, NRG still trades at just 12.3 times its forward price-to-earnings ratio, while offering a total shareholder yield of 7.65% through dividends and buybacks. Dalio's buying growth, cash flow, and pricing power at a discount. And for energy investors, this could be the sleeper hit of the entire AI boom. If this video is helping you spot what the smart money's doing, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite energy stock. And if you haven't yet, grab my free guide, The 5-Minute Money Shift. It's a simple way to start building wealth fast, especially in markets like this. While headlines focus on volatility, Ray Dalio is focused on positioning. Vistra, Constellation, and NRG aren't just safe havens. They're leverage plays on where the energy market is going next. AI, clean power, and grid resilience aren't buzzwords. They're the new foundation of economic growth. And these three companies are building that foundation now. Dalio isn't betting on hype. He's betting on infrastructure, on underpriced, underappreciated energy giants with real earnings and strategic relevance. If you're building your own strategy for the next cycle, these are the names to watch. Grab the free guide below, hit subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next shift is already happening.